What if I told you there's a simple way to take control of your finances without the stress and confusion? Many of us know we should be budgeting, but the thought of spreadsheets and complex calculations can be overwhelming. Today, we're going to change that. We're diving into Rocket Money, a powerful app that makes creating and sticking to a budget easier than ever. It's not about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about giving every dollar a job so you can build wealth, save for the things you want, and stop worrying about your bank account. So, let's get started. First things first, what is Rocket Money? It's an all-in-one financial app that connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments to give you a complete picture of your financial life. The magic of Rocket Money is how it automatically categorizes your spending. No more manually entering transactions. Once you've linked your accounts, Rocket Money will spend a few days analyzing your spending habits. This is where it gets really powerful. After that initial analysis, you'll have a clear view of where your money is going. And from there, creating a budget is a breeze. Head over to the Budget tab. You'll see that Rocket Money has already created some categories based on your spending. You can adjust these, add new ones, or delete the ones you don't need. The app will even suggest a budget based on your past spending, which is a great starting point. But don't just accept it. Take a moment to customize it. Think about your goals. Are you trying to save for a vacation? Pay off debt? Make sure your budget reflects those priorities. The real genius of Rocket Money is its ability to track your spending in real time and send you alerts. You can set up notifications to let you know when you're getting close to your budget for a specific category. This keeps you accountable and helps you make smarter decisions on the go. But Rocket Money isn't just about budgeting. It also helps you find and cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate your bills for you, and track your net worth. It's a comprehensive tool designed to simplify your financial life. Creating a budget with Rocket Money is not about being perfect from day one. It's about starting somewhere, building a new habit, and gaining confidence. Over time, you'll learn what works for you and what doesn't. You'll see your savings grow and your debt shrink. So, if you've been putting off budgeting because it seems too hard, I encourage you to give Rocket Money a try. It could be the first step towards a more secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.